Hi everyone, today we will be checking out the EKSA E900 gaming headset. It is one of the more affordable higher quality gaming headsets that is available at the time of filming, at under $40 when I got it. It makes it an affordable choice for anyone who needs an affordable quality gaming headset. Let's proceed to check out what is included inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one E900 gaming headset. Also included is a Y extension cord for users to extend their audio connection. A detachable headset mic is included, so users can choose to attach it onto the gaming headset if they want. A pack of user guide is included too, to help users set up and get to know about the product. A headset pouch for the EKSA E900 gaming headset is also included for storage purposes. Great, all packed neatly in the product packaging. Now, let's talk about the design. I have it in purple. It has a solid design and the outlook appearance looks rather modern and sleek. It doesn't feel too heavy either. Perfect for wearing on for hours of gaming. Each ear cup is individually labeled L and R, left and right, so people know easily which way to wear the gaming headset. The EKSA branding can be seen all around the device, especially at the top of the headband, which makes it look premium with the branding labeled clearly. When we tried wearing it on, it feels really comfortable and there is no harsh pressure on the ears when it's worn on. During gaming sessions, the sound quality output is excellent. It has a clear and powerful sound output with the bass and sound effects of the game relayed accurately to its users. The mic is detachable, so users can insert it in if they want to use for gaming or meetings, etc. It is flexible and ergonomically designed to be easily bendable, so I can arrange it to a position I find comfortable with while gaming. A detachable mic is not available on many gaming headsets, making this a plus point for the EKSA E900. I can remove it anytime when I don't need it, saving space and enhancing my comfort without the mic when I don't need it. Another cool feature about this headset is that it has a physical mute switch. I can mute and unmute my headset with ease, especially when I desire some privacy when I am not gaming. I can flick the switch to get it muted. The volume scroll wheel is also located at the side of the mute switch, where I can adjust the volume of the audio when it is in use. After use, I can store it securely in the provided EKSA pouch. It is made of a leather texture which feels really high quality. A drawstring is provided to securely seal the bag after storage. Now I can protect my headset from scratches. Tested it on, it works great. Overall, I find the EKSA E900 gaming headset a good find, priced affordably, and it provides high-quality audio for gamers like me who desire to get something that is affordable, comfortable and high quality for my gaming needs. Find out more with the link in description. Thank you for watching.